Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. Today's lesson is about a very, very handy expression, il reste. And you could also say il me reste. And we're going to see when you can use the first one and when to use the second one. It's quite easy. And before we start, let me quickly mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, by clicking the link in the description. It's full of tips and tricks on how to speak French like a native speaker. Il reste means there is left. Let's have a look at it in an actual sentence. Il reste une part de gâteau. Il reste une part de gâteau. There is a slice of cake left, or there is one slice of cake left. It's quite handy because in 2 words you condense 3 words in English. There is left. It's just il reste, and the il never changes because it's an impersonal expression. Il n'en reste plus. This is a little bit more complex. When you want to say there's none left, you know, there's no cake left, okay, il ne reste plus de gâteau. Il n'en reste plus, there's none left. The en is compulsory, there's none left of it. Let's change the tense. Il ne restait plus personne dans le bar, alors on est parti. Il ne restait plus personne dans le bar, alors on est parti. There was nobody left in the bar, so we left. You see how you need the plus there in that sentence. People don't really understand. They say il ne restait pas, and that's wrong. You should say il ne restait plus personne. You could also say il ne restait personne, but it's not as specific as plus personne. So that's the one we use. Now, the good thing is you can combine it with the knucker, which means only. Il ne reste qu'un yaourt. Il ne reste qu'un yaourt. There's only one yogurt left. You see how we don't use seulement, we use knucker. We like using knucker to mean only. Let's change the tense. Il ne restait qu'un sapin de Noël dans le magasin. Il ne restait qu'un sapin de Noël dans le magasin. There was only one Christmas tree left in the shop. Il ne reste plus rien dans le salon. Il est vide. Il ne reste plus rien dans le salon. Il est vide. And here again you notice we have to use plus for plus rien. There's nothing left in the lounge. It's empty. You could say again, il ne reste rien dans le salon, but it's not as specific as il ne reste plus rien, so that's why we use it. Now, if you want to use il me reste, it makes it a little bit more personal. It means I have something left instead of there is. For instance, il me reste 20 € pour finir le mois. Ça va être serré. Il me reste 20 € pour finir le mois. Ça va être serré. I have 20 euros left to finish the month. It's going to be tight. Tight is serré, in case you're wondering. You can also use it with other people, not just me. Il lui reste un rapport à écrire et il a fini son projet. Il lui reste un rapport à écrire et il a fini son projet. He's got one report left to write and he's finished his project. So he's got one report left. Il lui reste un rapport. If it was her, it would still be il lui reste, because lui goes for him and her. Il nous reste une bouteille de vin. Vous en voulez? Il nous reste une bouteille de vin. Vous en voulez? Here you've used we. We have one bottle of wine left. Do you want any? Now it's your turn. How would you say in French? There are no chairs left in the kitchen. There are no chairs left in the kitchen. Please leave your sentences in the comments below and I'll correct them for you. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.